In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the Got It number 1 in lesson 6.5, solving systems of equations using addition. Okay, remember, you use addition. When to use addition is when there's additive inverses or opposite terms. Okay, so in this Got It, we have negative x plus y equals 4, and then x plus 2y equals 8. Notice the x terms are additive inverses. So you have a negative x and then a positive x. Okay, so if we were to add these equations together, the x's are going to cancel out. You have a negative x and an x, it cancels out, and that's the whole point. You want to cancel out. You want to solve for one variable at a time, so that's why you want to cancel out the x terms. So now, let's put an imaginary 1 right there. We canceled out the x terms because they were opposites, they were additive inverses, and then let's add the rest of the equation. We have a 1y plus a 2y, which is 3y, equals, and then let's add the numbers. We have 4 plus 8, which is 12. All right, divide by 3 on both sides to get rid of the 3, because remember, you want the numbers on one side and the variables on the other. And then you have y equals 4. Okay, now, we're not finished with solving this system of linear equations because we still have to figure out what x equals. There's not an isolated variable in either of these, so we could plug it in y equals 4 into either equation to solve for x. So let me copy the second equation. X plus 2y equals 8. Okay. Let's plug in y equals y for 4. We'll plug in y with 4. So we have x plus 2 times 4 equals 8. All right, so we have x plus 8 equals 8. Right, because you multiply 2 times 4, that's 8, and then equals 8. All right, subtract 8 from both sides to get x by itself, and x equals, well, 8 minus 8 is 0. So in this case, x equals 0. Okay, which means that y equals 4 and x equals 0. If you plug those values into both equations, it'll work in both equations. All right, so let's write our ordered pair 0, 4 is your x, y. That's the solution to the system. That's the point of intersection if you were to graph these two equations. Okay, now you are going to watch the video for example number 2 and take notes.